What you are witnessing is the reversal of the process which took place early this morning when our staff prepared what is called an imu. The imu is traditionally a pit in the earth or sand used by the early Hawaiian as an oven for cooking. The imu is made ready by heaping stalks of the kiape wood or mesquite logs, similar to what is used for barbecuing at home. Smooth and porous lava rocks called bohoi are then placed on the logs, and a great big bonfire is lit. When the lava rocks are red hot, some of those stones are taken and placed in the cavity or opu of the pig that had been prepared for the occasion. Wrapped in a chicken wire meshing, the pig is taken to the imu, placed on a bed of vegetation, covered with a hali'i or blanket of more green-red foliage. Then the imu is sealed with a burlap sack, tarpaulin, and the sand that was uncovered in digging the imu. Actually, what was created in contemporary times can be best described as a giant pressure cooker-like oven because it's the steam of the hot lava rocks that does the cooking process. Our imu had unfastened the chicken wire meshing. Soon you will see them shake the pig from side to side to loosen those hot lava stones, which are still cooking the pua'a, or the pig. Now notice the steam escaping from the imu. Some of those stones are still very hot. A wooden bowl with water is placed near the imu as a coolant. Our gentlemen will rinse their hands before they begin the task of removing those hot lava stones. First, a traditional ritual is performed to decide who will cast the first stone.
You guys are with me. Yeah. On the count of three, I want you to make as much noise as you possibly can. I'm trying to beat them. You can do that for me. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Here it is, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I know we can do better than that. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Ritual is about to begin. It appears that cousin Maui will cast the first stone. Our pork is seasoned with the essence of nature. We use pakai, sea salt gathered from our shoreline salt ponds, and various types of greenery and foliage that is used to line the imu and wrap the pua'a. The result is a wonderful flavor, one that we have never been able to replicate except with this early Hawaiian cooking process. Ladies and gentlemen, our food is ready to come out of the oven. Those of you with cameras, get those cameras ready. On the count of 3, we are going to have liftoff. Here we go, family. Hokai 1, Elu 2, Ekolu 3, Huki Kalopua. Folks, there you have it. Our Hawaiian steam pig right out of the underground oven and dripping with succulent flavors. Our imu along with our kalopua is modeling for you. This is your time to take your photos. Now, we remain one of the very few luau venues on the island of Oahu that continues to prepare our main course in this traditional ancient Hawaiian way. Ladies and gentlemen, have a round of applause for our 2 hard-working men. They're going to take the pig into the kitchen and prepare for serving so that we can finalize our dinner lines and get our dinner procedures underway. So family, follow the sounds of the talking drums as they invite you to return to the dining area for an evening